Hi there and welcome to this lecture. In this lecture we are going to talk about copywriting for Facebook ads. Many people treat this point lightly. They think that this small text we put in our ads is not that important. Well, that truth is totally the contrary. If you want to sell online, you should master copywriting. Copywriting is the art and science of writing copies that can sell your product and service and convince prospective customers to take action. If someone saw your ad and your ad text was not appealing, he would not click on your ad and he would not buy. The ad text is extremely important. It's one of the most important factors that will make your target audience take action. Click on your ad and pull out their credit card. Learning copywriting takes a lot of time, and it's a vast domain. If I want to explain everything about copywriting, I need a whole course for this. In this lecture, I will teach you the basic copywriting techniques you need to know in order to write good ad copies and boost your sales. The first mistake beginners do is to put a long link in their ad copy. It takes space and it's very annoying. The first thing you need to know is to shorten your link. You can go to Google and search for link shorteners and use any of them. You paste your link there and you get a shortened one to use. Very easy and very simple. The second mistake most beginners do is to focus on features instead of focusing on benefits. And this is very important. A feature is something that your product has or is. Benefits are the outcomes or results that users will hopefully experience by using your product. The customer wants to know how the product you are selling him will help him improve his life or solve a problem he has. If you are selling iPhone covers, the customer wants to know how beautiful the cover is and how it can protect his iPhone. He doesn't care about the material used to manufacture this cover. If you are selling a LED collar for dog, the customer wants to know how this collar will help to protect his dog from danger. He doesn't care about the dimensions of this collar. You should always focus on benefits and not on features. You have to focus on how your product will make the client feel better, solve his annoying problems, or make him have fun. I'm not saying to not talk about features. Some features might be important and you should definitely mention them on your sales page, but don't focus on them and forget about the benefits. Next, in your ad copy, you should include some urgency. Urgency is one of the most important principles of persuasion. It pushes people to act faster. Let me teach you a tactic I use to create urgency within my ads. So, for example, I include the following: free shipping for today or 50% off for today. When the customers read this, they will think that the free shipping or the 50% sale are only for today. But technically, I didn't say that. I said that for today, you have this option, but it might be still available for tomorrow and it might not be available. This way of rephrasing will let me use the same ad copy for tomorrow also. Because if I say free shipping for today only, I will lose my credibility if I keep using the same ad copy every day. You can also use any of the following expressions: 40% off for the first 100 customers or 50% off until the end of this month. Another thing to add to your copy is to invite your viewers to like and share or tag a friend that might be interested. believe it or not, but this simple sentence will increase the engagement and the reach of your ad. Let me show you a small example. First, let me show you the product. You can see it's a cool gadget designed for tennis players to practice. Before we begin, we can see that this ad has 20,000 likes, 5,000 shares, and 2 million views. That's definitely a viral ad that made a lot of sales. Those social proof signals help to get even more sales because it will catch people's attention when they see all these likes and shares. So let's begin to analyze this ad copy. In my opinion, it's not that great. We can do better, but it's very suitable for dropshipping. It begins with a sentence. Do you love tennis? It's a sentence to catch the attention of tennis players. Take a look at the capital letters of the word tennis. So if someone plays tennis, he's intrigued to read the text. The second sentence is, become a pro with this tennis trainer. In this sentence, the dropshipper flatters the ego of his audience by saying that you can become a professional tennis player using the product which is introduced in the sentence, the tennis trainer. Did you see how this ad is talking about benefits? It didn't talk about color or the dimension of the product. It focused on the benefits, not on the features. In the third sentence, we find another benefit. In less than a month, you can have what it takes. I want to pause here and give you a very important remark. If I were the advertiser of this product, I wouldn't put the last sentence because the advertiser here is promising something he cannot prove. He's saying that in less than 1 month, you will have what it takes. Of course, he means what it takes to become a professional tennis player. And Facebook don't like this. It's against Facebook guidelines. You cannot say, for example, this product will make you lose 10 pounds in 5 months, unless you have a study you can use to back up your claim. And you cannot say on your ad, using my method, you will make at least $10,000 in 2 weeks. Facebook don't like this, and you are risking getting your account banned when you say this. Now in our example, it's not so flagrant. The advertiser didn't say in less than a month you will become a pro. He said it indirectly by rephrasing it like this. In less than a month, you can have what it takes. So this is not a direct promise, and Facebook didn't shut down his account. But again, personally, I don't take this risk. Next, he said, get 50% off. Well, that's good, but I would add, get 50% off today. We talked about it at the beginning of this lecture. Creating urgency in your ad is very important. Then we see the shortened link, and we see that he duplicated the same line, and this is important because I have noticed that when we put 2 links in the description, this increases the clicks. This is a good thing when you are selling a wow product, but it might not be that efficient in other industries, so don't consider it as a general rule in Facebook ads. Next, he adds that the shipping is worldwide. So if someone is living in Thailand and he is interested in this product, he doesn't have to worry about shipping. So if he likes the product and can afford it, he will buy it without hesitation since there is no shipping problem. And notice the call to action that says shop now. And at the end, the advertiser asked the audience to share this with someone who loves tennis. He ended it with a call to action. This will push people to tag their friends or to share this post in tennis groups, and this will definitely increase the organic reach. Let's check another ad, and I want to show you something very interesting. In this ad, for example, the advertiser is trying to sell a sauce blender. This blender will prevent anything from sticking on the pan. Look at the first sentence in this ad copy. Do you love cooking but hate when anything sticks to the pan? He's focusing on pain, which is a very powerful marketing element. Nobody likes when food sticks on the pan. So the advertiser is using this sentence to tell his audience that this gadget will solve a major problem that they are having. So don't hesitate to focus on pain. Also, I love when we use smiley in ads. You have to use them on social media, but not too much. Keep it simple and cool. I will show you this Chrome extension that will help you use smiley easily and quickly. So you add this extension and then you can copy any smiley you loved and add it to your text. And one last thing, always keep it simple, positive, and fun. Remember, people are on Facebook to enjoy their time and not to see something boring or negative. I hope you enjoyed this lecture. Stay tuned with me and let's meet in the next one.